everybody, it's your girl Lulu Londyn and we are doing a summer glow look. I am taking this ultra hydrating shea butter mask, and before I start that off, I'm plucking my eyebrow hairs. I noticed they was looking a little crazy, so let me, get them in check. So I'm applying that to the bottom half of my face, cheek, nose, and under my lip. So I'm gonna let my timer sit for 20 minutes while I continue on doing my makeup. I'm gonna start off with my brow routine. I am taking my BH Cosmetics Pro eyebrow brush, and in a little clip you're gonna see the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro eyebrow palette. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just had a few gigs before this recording, and so that's why I have a lot of BH Cosmetics stuff, because they have a lot of good palettes for every skin tone, every complexion, so it's perfect. Instead of spending like loads of money on getting different shades and shit like that. So yeah, I'm filling it in my eyebrows. As you saw, the only color that I use in that palette really is that dark brown. So I'm using a dark brown just to shape my brow and fill it in. I'm using the same exact color, but I am using a very light hand to just kind of feather in a bit of a shade to elongate my eyebrows. Just like that, one brow is done and the other one is free. Time to wash my face. Boom, I am back feeling juicy. My skin feels healthy and glowy. So let's continue. I am using the Cocoa Butter Palmer Formula Moisturizing Day Cream. This day cream is cool. I like it because it has SPF. And honestly, after the summer, I'm probably going to trash it because I am super oily when using this. But it smells really good. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus, of course, to spray my face, hydrate it, and conceal my motherfucking brows. I'm using the Sephora Make No Mistake when concealing the brows. To fleek the brows, we don't make no mistakes. Hey. I'm a little hyped, guys. I miss you guys. It's been such a long time since I've done a voiceover, so I'm just trying to get back into the grind, back into the hustle. I'm like partying because I'm standing up. So I'm just arching my brows, cleaning it up, just concealing underneath the brow, give it a shape, both sides and on the top as well. Conceal and continue shaping the brow. That's all we're really doing. We're not covering anything up. I did a little plucking, so it's not like I'm covering up hairs. I'm just shaping my brows. And just like that, we have blended perfect brows. So I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish primer to prime my face, and then I'm taking a oldie but a goodie. She ain't on the screen yet. It is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Boom. There she go. Another spray session, and I am applying the brown color off the BH Cosmetic Concealer Light to Medium palette. Again, everything's gonna be like BH. But I chose that color because it's very close to my skin tone. I have oily eyelids, so I do a little concealer, I blend it out, and then I use a little bit of some blending. I use either a powder, a setting powder, or like a eyeshadow color. That's my color. So I'm taking the loose powder, airspun translucent powder in the shade Suntan to, like I said, just powder my eyelids so they're not oily. or anything. I'd rather my face oily and not my eyes. I'm taking this Morphe stippling brush in the number G3 in this bomb ass concealer. Thank you to Princess Bella, that's my sis, for introducing this foundation to me on her YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down in the description. Check her out. I am in the shade Toasted Wheat. Yes, toasted. I am. Sucks that I can't really wear this because I'm not that shade right now. It is summertime. Like I said, this is in the beginning of summer. I am a whole different shade now. But I love this foundation. It's super glowy, and the camera doesn't do it any justice. But if you like dewy and you like a glowy skin, this is it. It sits on your skin so flawless and hydrating looking. Like it's insane. But yeah, so I'm using that brush just kind of pat it down all over, making sure I'm blended to the gods. Now to conceal, I'm using the BH Cosmetic Pro contour palette, those two light brown shades, and a e.l.f. brush, contour brush to contour my cheekbones, underneath the chin, my jawline, of course the nose, and the hairline with the forehead area. Now I'm taking that same Airspun Suntan loose powder to just set my face. I'm using it just basically for the whole face, and I didn't have a clean fluffy brush at the time, so I'm just using the same foundation brush and just kind of lightly swiping away any loose hair, any loose powders that were still on my face, so we don't have any flashbacks. And if you have not, hit that subscribe button, press that like button, and comment down below if you want to know. What? I don't know. I dropped the ball. Yeah, I'm dancing. Just gonna prime my lips with a little bit of Wintergreen Carmex. Not prime them, hydrate them after getting all that foundation and gunk off my lips. I'm taking the MAC Gold Deposit to highlight my inner corners, just to kind of bring a little glowness to my face. I am going to take that in on my, I think I'm doing something different, yeah. And that palette right in my hand, the Tarte Pineapple palette, I'm using a toasted brown color under my eyelids and in my crease area, just to kind of, I don't know, I just was doing a little detailing. I just thought that would have been cute. I don't normally do that, but it looked really good. Now back to what I was trying to say before. I'm taking that Gold Deposit and I'm highlighting my face. It is a bronzer. This is like an old ass MAC thing. I don't think they sell this anymore, and this is like my sister's, and I stole it like a long time ago. Recently found it and was just kind of like, well, let me use it. It's cute. Yes, I'm highlighting my face. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, LOL. I'm highlighting the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. Okay, get that pout, you know. And I am one for highlight. I love highlighting, so that shit is gonna be very dramatic. I like to be bright, especially when the sun hit. Ooh, you know, pictures come out flawless. Again with the Fix Plus to set my face, because I am getting that done. To finish off the look, so this is a simple glowy summer look. And of course, let's add the earrings. Let's get girly in this bitch. And to top it all off and finish the look, I'm going to be using the Fenty by Rihanna, sis. By my girl Rihanna, and Gloss Bomb to gloss up my lips. I love you guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being patient. Videos is coming out left and right. Subscribe, and press the bells to be notified for the next video.